Alrighty. What's your name?
Bryan. Perry.
Perry?
Yeah.
Very good. So, what brought you to the retreat?
Well, my dad's partner in his work firm actually came in November, and he suggested it for me, so they got it for me as a present.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Where are you from?
Tempe, Arizona.
Tempe, Arizona. Good. What did you write about?
It's a murder mystery.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you have a title yet?
No.
No? Nice. When did this idea first pop into your head to write a book?
I've always wanted to. I've taken classes in college, like creative writing classes, and I did short stories, and I always wanted to be able to put it all together into one long story, so.
How exciting.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21?
Yeah.
Wow. How do you feel right now?
Relieved. I feel good. It's nice.
Tell me more.
It's kind of like a pressure lifted off my chest. I just wanted to do this for so long. Now that I have, it just kind of free.
So, in less than 2 days, you wrote your first novel.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so I can imagine the relief. I can imagine the excitement.
Yeah, definitely excitement.
What did you learn about being a writer and the process of releasing, as opposed to creating within 2 days at the retreat, and how different it was, this experience versus all the other short stories and all the other manifestations you've done prior to this?
I think the biggest difference is like this time you get an idea in your head and you just flow with it. You go and you don't stop. You just focus on it. You don't go back. You don't read it. You don't correct it, anything. With all the other stuff I did, I'd take an hour to do a paragraph if you want it to be perfect.
Right.
And then it doesn't really work out. And this way you just get it all out in front of you, and then you can go back and work on it however you want.
And how did this space in the retreat, support you in that?
It was relaxing. It lets you focus, lets you be calm, comfortable with what you're doing. It's just a different environment that really helps.
Did it fly by?
Yeah, it did actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of painless?
Yeah.
Short labor?
Yeah, it was nice. I liked it.
Nice. What did you learn most from the retreat? What did you learn most from this experience?
I guess letting yourself relax and just sticking with it and letting yourself go. I guess just going with the flow and be sure to relax and just be open with it.
Did you know much before about left brain, right brain?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
How would you explain it now in terms of what you've learned?
I guess like just not thinking. I guess I don't know. That doesn't sound good, but not thinking about it. You just kind of let yourself go. And
did you, in the past, like judge yourself or analyze?
Yeah, definitely.
And here you were just able to be free and.
Yeah, I wasn't worried about it.
Cool.
It was nice.
Cool. Did you have any epiphanies or discoveries in your writing about yourself, about the process, about your story? How surprised are you, or were you from doing this experience?
I guess I honestly didn't think I'd get anywhere close to where I did. The longest I've probably written is like 10 pages. And compared to this, it's nothing. It was surprising to me, but it was so easy that it kind of blew me away.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
This retreat used to be 8 days and then 5 days and then 3 days. Did you think you could do it?
No, not really.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
really.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. And you did it.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
thanks.
What would you say to someone that's younger than you that thinks they have nothing to say and nobody's going to read it and nobody's going to hear me? And
Everyone has something to say. I mean, and if you think no one wants to read it, you're judging yourself, and that's the whole focusing and thinking too much about it. If you just stick to it and let yourself go, someone somewhere is definitely going to want to read it, and it's definitely worth it. I'd say do this.
Yeah, cool. Are you going to be an author for, do you want to be a writer as a profession?
I'd like to, at least somewhere down the road, yeah.
They say professional is an amateur that never quit.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you're always growing. So,
Yeah. Are you ready for your second book?
Yeah, I think so.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, Bryan.
Thanks.
All right.